It's May 26, 2025, and I got the desiccant packs and put them in the toaster oven to heat them up and hopefully extract all of the moisture. I had them in there for, it was over 3 hours, I'm going to say close to 4 hours. I took them out of the toaster oven, put them in the ziplock bag. I left them in the bag there with the bag open for about an hour or so, give them time to cool, and I saw moisture forming on the inside of the bag, so I wanted that to escape with the heat. So once they were pretty cool, I zipped it up. The humidity was around 20%, and as it cooled even more, it went down to 16-17%.
One day later.
It's the next day, and I checked it. It's the next evening, so 10 o'clock at night, and it went down from 16 down to 11%. So this worked very well, and I think I'm going to be doing this probably all summer. I didn't end up using these for drying the filament, so I left the bag here on the table, and we'll see how they look sometime later on.
8 months later.
It's January 16th, 2026, so we're just shy of 8 months later, and the room is 30% humidity, and it's been higher than that off and on from the end of summer through fall and into where we are now. And the bag of dried desiccant is at 18, and it's been, I don't think it's gone above, definitely hasn't gotten to 20. I've seen it down at 15 and 16 over the months, but it's basically been holding steady here for all that time. For me, this seems to be a very good option to use in keeping the filament dry in our containers. I don't feel the need to purchase separate dryers at this time, maybe for other applications or other types of filament, depending on the printing that we're doing. That might be something that might be necessary, but right now I don't have to worry about additional equipment taking up space and worrying about plugs and all that stuff. So just drying these and reusing them. I have this bag on basically on deck here, so as we're getting into the more humid months, I can just empty this bag into one of the bins, and the ones that are in that bin, just dry them and have them on deck and just go through that, recycling them throughout the summer. This is one of the containers. I have the gasketed containers. There's a foam gasket going around, and I have the filament in there, two over here, a smaller one and a bigger one, and that basically holds all of our filament. This one holds the whole case, so there's 12 that can fit in there. Actually, I think more can fit in there than 12, but 12's still pretty tight, and then this big one holds, I don't know, there's probably 20 in there.